This is the PAI oil pump manufactured for Detroit diesel DD13 engines. The PAI part number for this oil pump is 641214, which is a direct replacement for OEM number A4711802601. Designed to maintain consistent oil pressure and proper lubrication throughout the engine, this oil pump features an aluminum pump casting, which offers a balance of strength and weight reduction for improved efficiency. The drive gear is constructed from high-strength steel to ensure durability and resistance to wear under continuous operation. With a gear tooth count of 53, this pump is engineered to deliver optimal oil flow, reducing engine wear and prolonging component life.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.